All right, special thanks to this company for sending us their wet and dry electric shaver. You can see that this has 7 heads on it and looks to be like a nice razor. So on this side, you have 2-hour fast charging, LCD monitor, external power charging, high-speed alloy motor, and it's fully washable. Same picture there as the front. This one shows that it has a facial cleaning brush, sideburns knife, nose and ear trimmer, and a soft face sponge. And looks like the model number is listed here as JK-5588A. Nothing on the bottom and just electric shaver on the top. So let's see exactly where we get in here. All right. Oh, okay. So that's a box. Oh, here's our shaver. That's it for this box. And let's start with the big deal. So we got a full instruction guide here with everything you should need to know about this. And then there is our actual razor. Very small, I like it. Fits nicely in the hand. Look at that, that's pretty good. So it does charge on the bottom with the included cable. It should be in there. These should just twist or turn off. Not entirely certain yet, I'll have to look. So they pull off. So triangle goes into triangle and that's how they work. Okay. Now the power button's here. It shows you have 100 minutes left and shaved for 5 seconds. So just on and off, that's it. Let's see what's in our accessories box. That's it for that. So we have the included little charging cable, USB. Oh, look at all these different guards we have. So we got a 7mm, all right, 5mm, and 3mm is on the actual head here. All right, then we have the ear and nose trimmer. So that would, of course, you just pull this off and you pop this one right in its place. And then you're ready to trim your nose hairs. And then this is the body brush. And it's even got a nice little cover for it there. Very cool. That should do it for this unboxing of this wet and dry electric shaver. Definitely a very nice product, and the LCD screen is just nice and clear. Still got 99 minutes left, so you'd only have to charge this, you know, once every, 5 shaves. You might use 10 or 15 minutes a shave. So very nice product. Thanks again to the company for sending it to me. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.